Dear children, we learnt about machines in our last class. Today, we are going one step ahead to know about the types of machines, electrical machines and electronic machines. They can be called as electrical devices and electronic devices. Electrical devices na min ಸಾಧನங்கள், electronic devices na ಮಿನ್ನಣು ಸಾಧನங்கள். First, to understand the difference between electrical and electronic devices, let us see few examples. The examples of electrical devices are fan, iron box, tube lights, motor pump and bulbs. And the examples of electronic devices are computers, laptops, smart TV, smart washing machines, smart refrigerators. Do not get confused by the terms electrical and electronics, children. I will explain it to you in simpler words. How does a fan work? When we switch on the fan, when the electricity is on, the current goes into the fan and it makes it rotate and the fan works. Right? Similarly, all the electrical devices works based on the current. It takes in the current and it converts into another energy. It helps moving, it glows as a light, something like that. This is how the electrical devices work. And when an electrical device gets a problem, whom do we call to repair it? Yes, we call an electrician to repair the electrical devices or the circuit problems. Correct? Now, let us get into the electronic devices. As we saw before, computers, laptops, smart TVs are all electronic devices. These electronic devices also need electricity to run it. But what happens when the electricity is on? The computer gets on, but after that, the smart work of the computer, the calculation, the computing part, the smart work of the TV, the smart work of the mobile phones, how does it work? It works because it has something smart inside it. When we break open the electronic devices and see, we can find small rectangular shaped chips. These chips has information, smart information on how the machine should work in certain circumstances. When these electronic devices get a problem, whom do we call? Do we call an electrician? No, we don't call an electrician to fix the electronic devices. We call the expert mechanics to repair the electronic devices. We take the computer to repair to an electronic shop, right? We take the mobile phone to service in an electronic shop. We cannot give them to the electrician to repair because electrical is different and electronic is different. Can you understand, children? In simple words, electrical devices are not smart like electronic devices. They do not have decision-making capability. They just work when the switch is on and the electricity is flowing through. Electronic devices also work on electricity, but still they are smarter than the electrical devices. They do a lot of things than the electrical devices. Hope you understood the difference between electrical and electronic devices, children. Now, kindly complete the worksheet. Identify the electrical and electronic appliances given in the worksheet. Thank you so much. Dear children, we learnt about